Sit down.
Perfect.
And if you want to head into the yurt, the fellows in there can help you out.
Oh, cool. So I can smoke then, huh?
Yes. Free out of this gear. Well, here's the zip. No pulling yourself in on that one. Had your workout for the day. Yeah. There you go, guys. Yeah, you're welcome. Yes, go ahead and head on to the yurt.
How was it?